friends! It's Mano! I'm going to talk about Firefighter.
The helmet goes on their head up high to keep them safe when sparks fly by. It's hard as a rock, as you can see, protecting them for you and me. A tank full of air is on their back. A mask on the face covers every crack. When smoke is around and it's hard to see, they breathe fresh air. 1, 2, 3. Their big heavy coat is tough and thick. Putting it on is a magic trick. It stops the heat and the fire so hot. Is a little spark scary? No, it's not!
We have to rush, we can't be late. There is no time for us to wait. I turn on the siren, it spins around, singing wee, wee, wee. A super loud sound. I jump off the truck and I look all around for the special red plug that sits on the ground. I found the hydrant, it is short and it's stout. It has lots of water for us to let out. I poke up the hose, it's squishy and round, to take the fresh water right out of the ground. I aim the big nozzle and hold it tight. Sploosh goes the water with all of its might. Look at the building, oh dear, oh my. Someone is trapped up there, way up high. My big metal ladder lifts up in the air. I climb up the steps to rescue them there.
Let's say a big thank you to firefighters for keeping us safe. Give this video a thumbs up to say thanks. Bye-bye. xCutie kids!